Yeah, the old shuffle wasn't working too good. It had some problems. I don't know. Took it apart and thought I might see if I can fix it. Seems like they had a bad controller. Something wasn't working. These buttons didn't do anything anymore. I couldn't figure it out anyway. Well, it wasn't going back together, so I created the new Listerine Cool Heat Pocket Pack iPod Shuffle. Yeah, it's working. Check it out. Headphone controls. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Crank the volume, baby. Freshen up your music with the new Listerine Pocket Pack iPod Shuffle.